Yeah, that should be it. Ay, hindi. It's a brig. It's a brig. It's a brig. It's a brig.
Brig na.
Ay, hindi. It's a sloop. Dalawang sloop lang pala. It's not a brig.
Blunderbound blast.
Glass.
Oy! Bagay dalawang kigs! Takbo!
Dalawang creeper.
May dalawa. Ha? Pod.
No!
Yun lang, I'm gonna die.
The roleplay an anime Onesa.
Dito ba siya? Hoy, wag ka! Alis, alis, alis!
Explosion! Okay, he's exploding.
Wow, okay.
Easy.
He killed himself!
Port of Fortune Key?
And I'm about to die.
Nice!
Why are we exploding?
Naka-broadside tayo sa kanila ah.
Noob naman
Shouldn't
sila.
that be good if we're broadside?
Bakit naka-anchor sila?
Is there
Patay.
people on board? Is there people?
We're shooting already.
Hindi, hindi.
Hello,
Tayo
my
na-
purpose for
na-broadside.
sending that submission was not to generalize Diamond 27 as a fool and labeled them weird. I simply said
Where are
some
they?
lang and
Where are they? No, wala sila! What? It just disappeared! What?
what the fuck?
Arcania Stranger Crew. Asan na yung map? Asan yung Reverse Bounty?
It's still there!